Initially, I didn't know much about Amelio, but after I put my daughter here in Amelio, I could see a very noticeable change in her. Her behavior, manners, the way she treats people, the way she's able to express herself, everything changed.
I really feel that she's going to be looked after, taken care. If anything, they'll call me. I feel really good.
I feel confident that they are in a nurturing atmosphere for the day, and I can carry on with my duties without thinking about what they are doing.
First impression is the best impression. We come here, this place is so good, pertaining to the infrastructure, the warmth of the teachers. We came here, we saw all those boxes in which the kids put their shoes. I mean, it's so organized.
I chose Amelio because it's a very hygienic and a very nice environment. I always feel like I'm dropping her at grandmother's home when I enter into Amelio.
I've seen how exuberantly he just walks into Amelio because he knows he's going to have fun for the second half of the day.
What amazes me is when my daughter joined, she hardly interacted with any kids. She was very shy. She was very scared of going out on her own. And today she has so many friends, even I don't have that many friends.
We have put my child from age of 14 months and she is now 3 years. The way she has changed and developed from the in the age of 14 to 3 is really very good.
My daughter used to be a very reserved person, but from the moment she started coming into Amelio and since she was in the daycare, she was also interacting with elder kids. She started opening up, she started talking.
He used to hardly mention few words and he was a very shy kid actually. So now he speaks a lot and he has also come out of the shyness.
He's picked up a lot of good habits. His please, sorry, thank you words.
And I used to see every day she'll come back home learning something or the other from the older kids.
And my son is here for the past 2 years now. So obviously when I'm staying there, it means that I have a very good relationship with the team here. And I want to continue for a couple of more years.
They blend love, affection and professionalism very well.
There are only two types. Type 1, the parents are happy but the children are not happy. They are in a sort of jailed environment. Type 2, the parents are not happy at all but the child has all the freedom and is very happy. But Amelio is a different type called type 3 where both parents and children are happy here.
One day when we wanted to take him back home because we were working out of home that day, and when we took him back home, he suddenly realized that he's not going to Amelio that afternoon, and so he put his foot down, threw a tantrum and made sure that we dropped him off here. So that essentially told us that he enjoys the place very much.
I am nervous while sending her because I don't know how she would behave when I return back. But the happiest moment is when I come back and see her smiling and the glow on her face makes me feel happier.
You know something very strange? Morning when I drop my son, he always cries, he clings on to me. You won't believe it, at 7 o'clock I land up. He'll never come to me at all. Every day, you can actually check with the teachers also. Every day I have to coax him saying that I will get you some stickers or, I have to bribe my own son to take him back home.
Amelio is fun and frolic for the kids and we can enjoy at home, not at all worrying about them.
One place stop where your kid can really learn, play and develop himself.
Amelio is the only safe place where I found that my kids can learn and explore the world in a much better way.
If not mother, it's Amelio.
Because I'm happy. Clap along.